In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom templates in Confluence. If you build similar pages often, a custom template will save time, reduce errors, and keep your team consistent. Let's walk through it together. Start in the Confluence space where you want the template to live. From the sidebar, open Space Settings. Depending on your version, choose Content Tools or Templates to access the Template Manager. You must have space admin permissions to create or edit templates here, so double check your access before you proceed. Next, create a new template. Click Create New Template and give it a clear, descriptive name, like Project Brief, Client Report, or Weekly Update. Think about what your team needs every time. The sections people always ask for, the fields that drive reporting, and the basics that improve readability. Defining this upfront keeps pages predictable and easy to use. Now build the structure. Add headings such as Overview, Objectives, Timeline, and Notes to guide your readers. Use tables when you need structured data. Insert status macros for quick progress snapshots like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Add task lists using tasks to create checkable items that are easy to track. If you plan to roll up details across pages, include a page properties macro to capture key metadata for reporting. Keep the layout clean and simple so anyone can complete it without guesswork. Quick note before we continue. If you haven't accessed Confluence yet, you'll find the website link and the desktop app download link right at the top of the description. To make the template even more helpful, add light placeholder instructions. Prompts like Add Project Summary here, List Stakeholders, or Insert Deadline. Show exactly what belongs in each section. Use subtle formatting so it's obvious these are hints to replace, not content to keep. When you're ready, click Save. Then go to Create and open the template gallery. Select your new custom template and generate a sample page to test it. Confirm that headings look right, tables align well, macros load correctly, and task lists behave as expected. A quick test now prevents confusion later. If you need to tweak anything, return to Space Settings, open Templates, and edit the existing template. Save your changes. They'll apply to pages created in the future. Existing pages won't update automatically, so plan revisions carefully. And, before rolling out changes to your team, create a small test page to be sure everything works exactly as intended. Thanks for watching.